What is replicability in open science? Imagine you find a strange experiment that claims a new way to grow plants faster using a bizarre technique. You might wonder, can this really be true? Or was it just a one-time fluke? That's where replicability comes in. Replicability in open science means that when different researchers do the same experiment again, with their own fresh data, they get similar results. It's about confirming that the original findings are not just a coincidence or a weird anomaly. Instead, they hold up across different settings, times, or groups of people. To understand it better, think of it like this. If you bake a cake and someone else follows your recipe exactly, they should end up with a similar cake. That's reproducibility. But if they try a slightly different recipe to see if the idea still works, that's more like replication. Replicability involves doing a new experiment, not just reusing the original data. In open science practices, sharing all the details openly makes it easier for others to try to replicate studies. Researchers share their raw data, methods, and protocols online. This transparency helps others see exactly how the experiment was done and attempt to repeat it. When strange or unconventional results appear, open sharing allows others to test if those odd results can be repeated elsewhere. There are different ways to attempt replication. Direct replication tries to do the experiment exactly the same way. Systematic replication makes small changes to see if the results still hold. Conceptual replication tests the same idea but with different methods or in different environments. In the world of weird science or unusual experiments, replicability can be especially tricky. Strange results might be hard to reproduce because of hidden variables or quirks in the experiment. Open science encourages researchers to share every detail, including unexpected outcomes or odd procedures. This openness helps others understand what might be causing the strange results and whether they are real or just artifacts. Practically, researchers can promote replicability by sharing their raw data and detailed methods on open platforms. They can pre-register their studies, which means publicly recording their plans before starting. This way, others can see exactly what they intended to do. They can also encourage others to run their own experiments to test the findings. By working together and sharing openly, science becomes more reliable. Even the weirdest, quirkiest experiments can be tested and confirmed or debunked. This process helps build trust in unusual discoveries and makes science stronger overall.